Hello and welcome to How to Register for Classes. This video will assist you in becoming aware of the tools and information for the registration process as a WCTC student. Today we will be reviewing how to register for classes. Before registering, here are some important topics to consider. Review your degree works. This page is vital during the registration process in deciding which courses you should take. Degree works can be found on the WCTC portal in the Student Apps card. Create a list of possible classes to register for and be mindful that some courses may be full. Review your finances and payment options after you register for classes. To get started, go to www.wctc.edu and select My WCTC. Log in using your WCTC username and password. Your username and student ID number can be found on the WCTC Acceptance and Registration Letter. For assistance locating your username or student ID, contact the service desk at 262-691-5555. Select the Register for Classes tab under Student Quick Links. From the registration main menu, click on the Register for Classes link. Select your desired term. Search for classes by entering a keyword, course number, title, or CRN, or use the Advanced Search feature to further narrow your search. You can also search for courses using the Course Search on the WCTC website. It is best to search for courses using the course number so you can review all course sections that are offered. Make sure the correct semester is selected. Click on Find Courses. Write down the CRN number for the course you plan to register for. And please note, the Register for Classes landing page has 3 panes. The top pane lets you search for classes. The bottom left pane shows your class schedule as you add classes. The bottom right pane shows a summary of the classes you have added to your cart and the registration status of the classes. On the next screen, you will see the classes that meet your search criteria. Hovering over the course will show you when the class is offered. Pay attention to if your class is offered in the first or second term of the semester, or if it lasts the full 16 weeks. Please note that the summer semester only has a single term. Click on a course title to see class details. If you would like to select this class, click on the Add button to the right. You will see your class appear in the summary pane on the bottom right. A sample class schedule will appear in the schedule pane on the lower left. Click Submit in the lower right corner to complete registration for the class. If there are no errors preventing registration, you will see the status change from gray, pending, to green, registered. If you would like to add more classes, click on Search Again and enter new search criteria. Notice that your search results will indicate a time conflict with any courses in your summary pane. If you already know the CRNs of the courses you would like, you can add them directly on the Enter CRNs tab. Enter one CRN per box, clicking on Add another CRN, or hitting the Tab key on your keyboard to open another box. When you are done entering your CRNs, click Add to Summary. Click Submit in the lower right corner to complete registration. Let's see what will happen if you try to add a class for which you are not eligible to register. After clicking Submit, you will receive an error message in the upper right corner, and the status will show that there are errors preventing registration. Click on the course title to check for course restrictions and prerequisites you may be missing. Notice that the action on the course has changed to Remove. Click Submit again to remove the class from your schedule. The conditional Add and Drop feature next to the Submit button will allow you to drop a class only on the condition that you are able to add a new course to your schedule without error. Let's try dropping our psychology class only if we are able to register for a section of college mathematics. Notice that an error message appears. Notice I was not dropped from psychology. I will click Submit again to remove the math class from my schedule. If you would like to drop a class, change the action on a course to Drop Web and click Submit. This will remove the course from your schedule. If you had previously used the Plan Your Schedule in Advance tool to create a schedule plan, you can quickly register for your courses by selecting a saved plan on the Plans tab. Select your plan and add the courses by clicking on Add after each course, or Add All to select all courses in the plan. Click Submit to finish registration. To view your total fees for the courses in which you are registered, click on Tuition and Fees on the right-hand side of the summary pane bar. You can view your final schedule on the Schedule and Options tab. Click on the email icon to have the schedule sent to your inbox, or the print icon to print a hard copy for yourself. This concludes the demonstration.